and welcome to another top table gaming video. Joined by me, Jay.
And me, Sam.
Who, depending on what order I release these, has become quite a regular in these videos. Sam has been kind enough to join us and help us film some of these faction reviews for you all. And what are we doing today?
The birds.
We're doing the big flappies.
The Misty Mountains.
So today we are going to look at the Misty Mountains faction, and what better place to start than the army bonus.
The army bonus.
Yep.
The Eagles are coming.
Of course it's called the Eagles are coming. What else would their army bonus be named?
And I'll read it right this time. Eagle models from this army list gain a bonus of +1 to their strength on a turn in which they charge.
Boom!
Nice.
That's one of the things that we knew Eagles needed from the last edition. They needed to hit. They weren't bad, but they weren't good.
Yeah.
Giving them the ability to be +1 strength just means they're hitting that a little bit harder. Great.
And before we dive any further into this, we're going to warn you this is going to be a long one.
Yeah, it is.
We've got a multitude of profiles to get through, so get tea, get biscuits, probably get a blanket.
Yeah.
The army composition of this list is Guahir and Great Eagles.
Boom.
Boom.
So we've got two profiles in this list, and before we dive into the profiles, we're going to have a quick look at the ally matrix.
Yes.
Alright, so ally matrix. Talk us through it, Sam.
It's fairly simple.
Good.
The Eagles are convenient with everybody, with the exception of 3 army lists, which you can probably guess. They are historical allies with the Fellowship.
Absolutely.
They are historical allies with Radagast's Alliance.
Nice.
And they are historical allies with Thorin's Company.
Goes without saying.
Goes without saying. All those ones you see in the book. So there could be some tasty lists with like Aragorn, Gandalf, Boromir, Eagles.
See, this is where we're different, because you're like, this is well good, and I'm just like, I would have Radagast on an eagle with him, and that's just going to look awesome.
Yeah.
But yeah, so, alright, so that is the army composite, the ally matrix covered.
Yep.
Even. Let's have a look at the profiles. Open.
Guahir, Lord of the Eagles.
Yeah.
He's 150 points.
So he's gone up by 25 points.
He has.
That though, and as someone who hasn't read these yet, Sam is our expert in these videos, that makes me hopeful, because he was a bit lackluster. The fact he's gone up in points makes me excited for what you're going to tell me, so let's go through it.
So he is Eagle Monster Infantry, Hero of Legend. So again, he may lead 18 Eagles.
Yeah.
Which I'd not even try to work out how many that is. He is move 3.
Yep.
Fight value 8. Strength 6, defense 8, 2 attacks, 3 wounds, courage 6. Might 3.
There it is.
Will 3.
There it is.
Fight value 3.
Fight value.
Fate
3.
3.
So the problem with Guahir was he was 1-1-1.
Yes.
1 might, 1 will, 1 fate. So do you know what? For 25 points, 2 might, 2 will, 2 fate.
I mean, it's
all day.
Each point of might, will, or fate is worth in essence 5 points.
Yes.
So he's already
like
8 points.
the 1 might, will, and fate just really didn't reflect the Lord of the Great Eagles.
No.
Like the 1 might point, the 1 fate point, he was too vulnerable.
Yes.
Great addition. I can now see already a lot more of Guahir on the table.
Wargear, Claws and Beak.
Yep.
Heroic actions, heroic strike. Again, nice to have, but at fight 8, not going to be using much.
It's only in like the direst of situations you're going to be using
when you
that.
fight the Balrog.
Yeah.
Heroic strength, heroic defense.
Makes sense. It's interesting. Seeing a lot of heroic defense on
The big
defense 8 stuff. So I suppose it makes sense because they're built to be tanky, but the use of it may be questionable. But anyway.
Special rules, fly. So fear not, he may still fly 12 inches. Monstrous charge.
Yes!
+1 attack, knock down when charging.
So he's 3 attacks on the charge.
He's 3 attacks on the charge
and
he's knocking down.
And he's got the 12-inch move. He's outmanoeuvring most of the stuff and getting the jump in the game.
Yes. And if he if he charges, he is at strength 7. Which is a higher strength than a Fell Beast.
Which means
down goes the Fell Beast.
Fell Beast flies away.
And there's a ring wraith on the floor, very simple.
Yeah, there is. And you're also move 12, and they're so you're still the same move, but got just the +1 strength, the fact that he's got a good reserve of might, will, and fate now, and that monstrous charge, that's what Guahir always should have been.
Yes.
Amazing to see that. Good job on that profile.
He also has Lord of the Eagles.
Yep.
Only Eagle and Wizard models may benefit from Guahir's Standfast or benefit from his heroic actions.
So it used to be just Eagles. It's good they put Wizards. it's because you're going to put Radagast on Eagle, maybe.
And you've got Gandalf as well.
Of course, from the Fellowship. So that's really cool. Gwaihir is now amazing.
Yeah, he's pretty good.
It's the Gwaihir we've always wanted.
Yeah.
That's really cool to see. And at 150 points,
it's not that expensive.
You'd stick him in certain Fellowship builds as a Green Alliance.
You stick him in all 3 of those builds.
Yeah, we'll chat about builds at the end.
Yeah.
But Gwaihir is legit, and with that, we've already covered all the heroes of this list. Let's go into the troops.
Troop. Warriors of the Misty Mountains. Great Eagle. Eagle Monster Infantry Warrior. 100 points.
Gone up by 10. I'm hoping we see similar changes.
Move 3.
Yep.
Fight value 7. Strength 6. Defense 8. 2 attacks. 3 wounds. Courage 6. Claws and beak. Fly. Monstrous charge. Terror.
So they've got the monstrous charge. They have gone up a point of courage as well.
Yeah.
Really cool. Now really, really strong. Really cheap in terms of, 100 points. What's cheaper than that monster-wise in the game? A cave troll, a dweller in the dark.
Yeah.
Not much else. So actually really cost efficient. But again, they're going up to 3 attacks on the charge and strength 7. 12-inch move.
Knocking down your mini monsters, so your cave trolls.
This is amazing to see, and of course they can bring down the fell beasts.
Okay.
And as quick as that, we have covered the list.
They're going to fly away.
Right, so let's talk about lists. So if you're going to take it pure, you have a very similar restriction that Fangorn do, which is you are locked into
X equals.
Yeah, it's 250, 350, 450, 550, 650. If the points value is X50, your list fits perfect.
Yeah.
If it's not, you've potentially got a 50 point hole.
Yeah.
But I think the ally matrix is great. Of course, you've got the Radagast Alliance, so you've got the obvious one. You've got the
I think it's just Radagast on Eagle and Great Eagles Radagast Alliance.
That's fair. Ultimately, I just want Gwaihir, Radagast, and Eagles. That's really cool. And Gwaihir, and actually just Eagles in the Fellowship.
Yeah.
Or allying with, you'd need Gwaihir as well as an Eagle.
Yeah.
But Gwaihir in a Fellowship list with Aragorn, Gandalf,
Bozza,
that is gonna
leave the hobbits at home.
Yeah, leave the hobbits at home. We're taking the Lord of the Eagles.
Yeah,
that's gonna be awesome. And you've got that thing that can knock down the fell beasts.
And it's one of those where the Fellowship have struggled in previous tournaments from lack of speed and lack of real hitting power.
That's gonna hit like a train. Like
if you've got Gwaihir and 3 Eagles backing you up.
Yeah, the thing is, like Aragorn, Bozza, Gandalf, even Leggy on the charge are gonna hit. Until that might runs out, they're going to hit really hard and chew through. So being able to just fly over the net and hit from the other end with a monster or hit the side of a flank, that's going to hit.
Yeah,
it's going to be really good. And in Thorin's company as well, you can stick Thorin, Dwalin on ponies, on goats, ponies.
Ponies.
Yeah.
I don't think you ever... I mean, we'll save that for when the Army's the Hobbit book, but just I don't think you're going to see many ponies in armies.
But you've still got your huge heroes in Fili, Kili, Thorin, Dwalin, Balin. What do they lack, especially in the company list, which is mobility?
Yeah.
You've got the Gwaihir who can get over and do anything.
They're also dwarf-sized heroes, not big heroes.
That is true.
Yeah.
But I think really good factions, some really strong profiles. This one makes me super happy because it's what we always wanted the Eagles and Gwaihir to be like.
Yeah.
Also worked really well in other stuff as well.
Yeah.
And with that, that's another faction review in the bag. So we hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you for coming on as always.
Alright.
Check out the rest of our faction reviews in the playlist. Like, subscribe, follow the channel, all that jazz. Follow the affiliate link. And we'll see you in the next video. Cheers, guys.